Alright guys, what's up? So today we have another project. So as you can see, there's no gearbox. So you're guessing what car is this? Is the 350Z that we just done. Alright, so today we are going to do a gearbox swap. So this car was using Samsonas. It's a gearbox sequential, okay? Sequential H pattern Samsonas. So this gearbox we're going to put on this car. So we're going to swap, and that car we're going to put CD09. So CD09. So Faraday gearbox is the adapter plate from Ace, and then bell housing, 2J bell housing. So we just took out the Samsonas out from this car and running triple plate. So all the plates look all still new. So it's a new clutch, and then there's a 2J bell housing. So we're going to wait for some stuff to take out the flywheel, and then we're going to fix the Samsonas to the S13. Yeah, so S13 is here. Let me show you. This S13 was using, this S13 is using this you know, R154 H pattern boys, H pattern, and this car is fast. Okay, this car is fast. So now today we're going to upgrade the gearbox. So as you can see here, the gearbox is out, clutch is out. Yeah, so the clutch was using Agura clutch. So we're going to change to the triple plate, and then we're going to do the gearbox mounting, long shaft, everything all to fit in this car. I'm going to take out the shifter. So I'm going to go to the Faraday, take out the sequential shifter, try to fit it in. Okay, so we're going to take out the Samsonas Shifter. So we're going to take out the Samsonas Shifter right now from Faraday. So ready to go down. Okay, come on. Alright, so the shifter, Samsonas Shifter, right? So we have to take out all these carbon bits to take out, I think. Let's try. Tools, boy, tools. Then some extension, maybe some smaller extension. Okay, screwdriver. Alright, let's go in the car. Got our tools. It's very hard for me to go into this car actually. Alright, so shifter, it's a bit dark, but I don't know if you can see it or not. Wait, let's look at my foot. Stuck down because of the cage. Okay, so I'm in. I'm literally in. Tools in. Okay. Right. Easy to open actually. I did it easy. So there's 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll open the screw first. It's so hard for me to use 2 hands. But I'll try. Actually don't need to open, I hope so. You don't have to open the whole carbon dash. It's already carbon boss is I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it. Yeah, NOS boy. They have NOS. This car is fully equipped actually. We got NOS, as you can see, AEM dash, you know, fully bucket seat and everything. Stay there until I open first. I'll show you guys how to open the shifter. Because I need my two hands. Okay. And as you see, four screw out. Then I have to pull this thing out. Be careful because it's carbon fiber. Oh yeah. Even let me see. Okay. So this is the piece right there. 4 screw. I don't know if I can open the let me try. So I get this small extension. This is pretty tight. I don't want to open the whole dashboard piece. Open the whole dashboard like that. Yep, that's it. Out. Then we got this big boy. There's some light. Oh man, the other one cannot open. Too tight. Not too tight. Space is too tight. Let me see this suffer. Open this and okay, let's try. It's pretty tight. Yo, I'm telling you, it's tight. Let me show you. See that one screw? That one screw over there, then only one screw. Pain in the ass. Oh man, I'm lazy on the go out actually. Yep, I have to go take some tools. Be right back. Alright, get this. Hope you can fit. I don't want to open the whole dash out. Yep. I don't know, in this video I don't know how many times I said it's tight. Almost. Yeah, come on. Okay. So, tada, the shifter. So this is how we go. See the gear, no? So it's up and down again. Okay. For that car. So. Alright, so we go back to that car and suffer for a while. Get out of the car. Yeah. Samsonas. Let's go. shifter will be like this. So you just pull. Right. Reason why we taking out this car because it's not say the car not nice. The car nice. Just want to upgrade this car because my boss is comfortable with this car. So why not we make it more better, right? Yeah. Yep. Get in this car. Okay, boys. So we in the S13. So we're going to place the shifter. So there's a original hole there. So Samsonas is the shifters like a bit to the left. So we want to make it nice. So I'm thinking like how to fit it in, you know. So it seems like I can just fit it in like that, I think. But I think I have to open the dash. Yeah, I have to open this. I hate opening dash. So we have to open this dash and fit it in. I'll open and I'll show you because I don't want you to show you I'm suffering opening this. So I'll open and I'll be back. Okay, I already suffer opening the. I'm already suffer opening the center console because damn a lot of things have to open. Not open, it's a struggle to take out because the nose thing I lazy on open. So gotta have to open. So I didn't notice a lot of space here. Nice. Okay, so tada. So the shifters, what? I don't have to drill hole or anything. Just have to do some mounting hole for the shifter. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's done. Damn. I don't have to do much. Yeah. There's a few holes. Have to just do it. I think a little bit tilt, right? Yep. So shifter is almost in. Damn, is this center console. Center console is very hard to open. Because when I fix the center console, there's no seat, there's no nothing, especially with this seat. See, it can even move around. Yeah, so shifter is in for me to run to this. So right now I just have to do some. I think 1 or 2, 3 holes, 4 holes. Really, put some screw nuts. I think good to go. I'm having the flu soon. Plus, damn, it's too hard. So I'm going to wait for something to come on my Shopee. So I'm waiting for. I bought Shopee tools to open the flywheel screw for the LED clutch flywheel because it's number 13, so we cannot get any tools here. Very hard. In the tool shop also is very far. So this is it. Number 13 bob ARP for the flywheel. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to come. So I think it will arrive like another few more hours or minutes. So once we get the bob, I'll open the flywheel, put the flywheel in this car, put the clutch in this car, put the gearbox in this car, and do the gearbox mounting, fix the shifter. So I'm gonna go find some reef nut and everything. So be right back. Okay, one more screw left to open this dash. This center console. I call it dash because something like dash is like center console. Okay, so open already. Alright, I want to show you something nice about this S13 now. When we build this, it's not really big. I mean, I didn't build much. I just spray the interior and just do some makeup stuff. Look behind here. Yes, it's a NOS tank, bro. So we got NOS, we got some carbon beads on dash, and then I can show you something that I did. It's what? It's a cover, right? So it's made out of aluminium. So then after that we wrap carbon fiber. Yeah, this is very nice actually. See, there you can see carbon fiber. It's a wrap actually. It's a wrap. So you can see here the meter links. Yeah, handbrake. You know, when you drive this car, it's nice. It's nice when you drive this car actually. So yeah, S13 for me, it's a good car. It's a nice car actually. I love this car so much actually. Yeah. So shit, I have another problem. I hate this. So to order to take out this, you have to take out this pump. So there's two screws here, you have to take it out. To take out this center console, to put a shifter. So need to go get some tools. Okay, so we are back. So I just drilled a hole for the Samsonas Shifter. So 1, 2, 3. The other one, because no hole, later I will tambah some plate. So I will do is wait, let me find. Okay, this is a reef nut, right? You can see, alright, reef nut. So number 10, it's a nut, but it's a reef nut. So you all know a rivet. It works like something like rivet. So we have, wait, put this first, one more here, and then this is the tool. So you put this in. This is make everyone's life easy, you know. So if you want to buy Shopee reef nut. So you put this in here, okay, and you saw the hole. Put it in right to the hole. Let's see, put out here. Okay, put it in. Make sure it's flush. Then just pull it out. Press it as tight as you can. Alright, yeah. Then, okay. So as tight as you can, okay. And then you release it. Yo, I need two hands now. So release it by turning it counterclockwise. Right. There you go. You have a place for you to put a screw. You don't have to weld. You don't have to make so much fuss about it. Just put it in, clamp it, done. Yeah, easy as that. You see, just drill hole. I don't have a what? Huh?
The old one can put to the new one, but the up one the fly lah.
Just put me lah. Is the other one this side? Same thing, a bit as hard as you can. Tada! Think so, it's in. Hope it's in. Try again. Too much. Just put bit by bit. Suffering to this, bro. Okay, now take it out. We're going to test our shifter. Put it in. Come on. We have air, but I'm using it by hand. So by hand. So I'm going to put this. Okay, put it here. Good. Okay. Okay, so we're going to fix the shifter. Let's fix. Okay, I have to modify a bit of hole. Yeah, so take this. On top. So more bigger space. Yes. Hey. Okay, there we go. Yep, done. Samsonas Shifter is dead, bro. So here we go. One step closer. So waiting for the number 13 box to open the flywheel. So I don't want to go to Seremban because I'm here in KL here. So if I want to buy tools, it's quite far. So I'm waiting for my number 13 box to come so I can open the flywheel and then fix the clutch, fix everything so I can test drive this car. Can't wait to test drive this car. So yeah, shifter is in, boy. Okay, so we already do the gearbox mounting as you see just now. So this is the finished product lah. So it's not that nice, but it works. Yeah, it works nice, well, and everything everywhere. So we already fixed this, and we have to do the linkage. Only 2 more stuff that we done. Then after that we have to do the long shaft. So I'm going to get the linkage, fix everything, and then be done. Okay, as you can see, I'm inside the car. So shifter is done. Yes, smooth as butter. Okay, yeah, so it's done. Gearbox is in. So I have to hook up the line here and then do the center console, then long shaft, and bleed the clutch, and then test drive. So I can't wait to see this car. Sequential mode. Yeah, look here, sound. Sound marvelous. Okay, so see you on the next episode of this S13 build Samsonas, and then the fair lady to CD09. So we're still waiting on the oil seal. I just ordered some parts on the oil seal. So we fix the clutch, gearbox, everything on this car. So I have to do some little bit minor stuff, and then we have to send the long shaft to engineering, and then we will be done. We'll be done to this car. So see you guys, bye.